Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing shortcut keys that you can use to become a pro at using Trello. Wouldn't it be nice that you know some incredible shortcuts that when you're using Trello you can just quickly use them to get things done faster? And that's why I'm gonna show you in a couple of seconds some amazing shortcut keys that you can use. So all you have to do, guys, once you're inside Trello, simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and you will find under help shortcuts. Once you click in that, guys, you have a bunch of the different keyboard shortcut keys here that you can utilize. So you have things such as to navigate cards, to navigate the cards back, to copy a card, to move a card, to copy cards with text. Look down, attach link, to toggle sidebar. You have so much. Focus search bar. You have to archive a card. You can check due dates, add checklist. So much things here. Come down here, you have another section for labels. You can quickly use these as well. So you have the keys here and you have the label colors as well, toggle label names, a lot. So if you're currently using Trello on a day-to-day basis, checking out these shortcuts and knowing a few of them can be really handy for you, because you can start using Trello faster. It improve your productivity and it save you time. So guess what? You want to check out these shortcut keys, try to learn the best ones that's going to help you. And of course, guess what? The more you know, the better, right? So if you find value here within this video, give this video a like, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. So easy. Just simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, then go to shortcuts, and there you have those shortcut keys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.